With the fair launch approach, what are your thoughts on setting up equitable? My English is just not working today. Equitable governance. What is your thoughts on setting up systems that allow for fair governance?
Yeah, I mean, back to that reliquary system that I was talking about. One of our industry partners, Beethoven X, which is they're essentially building Balancer on behalf of Balancer Labs right now. They used our system to create a way to give governance power based on how long someone has been a governor. And I think that's something that we're really interested in exploring is using the reliquary and using this protocol that we designed to figure out how to give someone that might not have a lot of money a say. And now, just for the sake of civil resistance, just for the sake of ensuring that we're not susceptible to sweep attacks or anything like that, it is hard to not give the richest guys the most say. Because developing civil resistance systems, unless we revert to KYC or similar, is next to impossible. So using the reliquary and using applied mathematics as we do, we're looking to figure out how we can create maybe like a two-party system to gauge sentiment and to ensure that uh, users are given adequate say, no matter how much money they have, in how a protocol is governed. And doing so without, creating security vulnerability is an immense challenge. So this is something that we're going to be working on for a long time. And I think optimism has the best approach to governance right now, easily the most advanced governance in all of, Web3 in general. Um, and they utilize a two-party system, which I wouldn't adopt it one for one, but we take a lot of inspiration. Uh, and then yeah, I think like making sure governors have skin in the game through these 80-20 pools, I think is quite important. And ensuring that they're providing services to the protocol and ensuring that they're not just being dumped on constantly, I think is really important. And that goes back to the incentive alignment I talked about, where how can, for the governor, everything be positive sum? How can we ensure there's lots of demand and volume and velocity so that they don't have to see governance as a personal liability? So we're working on a lot of that stuff right now.